So Claude Cowork is now inside Microsoft 365 and it changes everything. Microsoft just made a move that could finally justify the Copilot price tag. They've brought Claude Cowork, Anthropic's AI assistant, directly into Microsoft 365. So for procurement teams still sitting on unused Copilot licenses, this is an update worth paying attention to. The awkward truth about Copilot is it has just 15 million paid subscribers out of 450 million commercial Microsoft 365 users. That's about 3%. Why? Well, Microsoft Copilot has mostly just been a better autocomplete function. It helps you draft an email, summarizes a meeting. Useful? Yeah, but not transformational. Certainly not enough to justify the extra license cost. Whereas competitors like Google have made Gemini free inside Google Workspace Business and Enterprise plans. And that puts real pressure on Microsoft to prove that Copilot is worth paying for. And this is exactly why I assume they made this move. So what changed? Copilot Cowork is built to help Copilot to take action, not just as a chat function. You describe the outcome you want, and Cowork automatically grounds that work in your emails, meetings, messages, files, and data. And unlike Anthropic's standalone desktop version of Claude Cowork, which runs locally on your computer, Copilot Cowork actually works inside Microsoft's Cloud 365 infrastructure, meaning it can pull from Outlook, Teams, Threads, Calendar, Excel, PowerPoint, everything all simultaneously, meaning it can reschedule meetings, draft workflows, and coordinate projects with a full audit trail inside your existing security framework. So this is actually AI that executes, but what does it actually mean for procurement? Previously, you might have asked Copilot to summarize a supplier contract or an RFQ. Well, now Cowork can pull together that contract from SharePoint, can cross-reference it against your spend data in Excel, flag expiry dates from your calendar, and draft a renewal briefing document all in one instruction. Previously, you could generate a supplier evaluation template in Copilot. Now with Cowork, you can gather supplier responses from your inbox, populate a scoring matrix in Excel, and schedule a review meeting with your team without having to touch 4 different apps. Why did Microsoft do this? Well, Google is gaining rapid market share with Gemini, and if that's going to push Copilot into 3rd place, it needed to come up with a credible answer. So by combining Anthropic's reasoning model with Microsoft 365's data layer, Google can't yet match that yet. So you've now got an entire AI agent embedded into your day-to-day apps that you use on a day-to-day basis. So is a Copilot license actually worth it now? Well, that's down for you to decide, but I'd love to get your comments below to hear what you think of this latest development.